Welcome back to Learn BC. You're here with Jared. We're talking through Manufacturing Operations 101. We're on SOP-8, and this is about finishing a production order. Before I get started, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. We would love your support. Let's get started. Now, the context and the rules is what we start with on every single video. We've talked through this across the whole series. We move into the procedure, we move into the outcomes. I'm wanting to get straight into this. So the context and the rules with this is the physical manufacturing operations are complete. The finished goods have been physically moved to the warehouse or dispatch area. The order needs to be financially closed out. So what does that mean? The conditions are all material consumption must be fully posted. All output quantities must be fully posted. No active tasks remain on the Insight Works shop floor. For example, if you've got time sheets outstanding that have not been approved or posted yet, you cannot close your production order. You cannot finalize. You're required to finish time, output, and consumption to proceed. So the key principles is this is an irreversible action. Once a production order is changed to finished, it cannot be reopened. Okay, so it's concrete. The financial impact, finishing the order triggers the final cost calculation and posts any variances to the general ledger. So the critical warning here is do not change the status to finish if there are still pending material consumptions or output or whatever. You will not be able to add them later, resulting in inaccurate costing, and it's going to have to be fixed. So what's the process? Open the production order, navigate to release production orders in Business Central and open the order that we're talking about. Change the status. Let's just say you navigate to the order and inspect it. Do a detailed inspection. Change the status and click change status. And as you do that, confirm the change status. So in the dialog box, select finished as the new status. Ensure the posting date is correct and click yes. Review the finished production order once you are done. So let's talk through the exceptions. The exception handling here is this: the status cannot be changed. The reason for that is you've got outstanding journals on one of the three that we've talked about: time, consumption, or output. Okay, and you've just got to fix that. Unposted data discovered after finishing. Well, that's a problem because you're not going to be able to post it. So because finishing is irreversible, you cannot reopen the order. You must use an item journal to adjust the inventory and then general journal to manually adjust costs. Large unexpected variance. Well, investigate and you want to turn around and take action on that sucker. So the item ledger entries and capacity ledger entries, look at that for incorrect units of measure and typos before running the final financial report. So post conditions is this: the production order status is permanently changed to finished. No further material consumption, time output can be posted. The final costs are calculated, so you've got your actual costs are done. The order is removed from the active shop floor views and the planner disappears because it's done. Well, let's go finish a production order in Business Central. Okay, I've got my production order here. This is the one we used in our last SOP where we were running the order statistics, and we've come in here and we're inspecting it and checking that everything's fine, and we're happy to proceed. We're going to close this sucker out. So we're going from home and we're clicking change status. As we click that, finished, update the unit cost, yes. Okay, we then press yes. Off it goes. The production order 00060 with the status released has been changed to finished. And so now if I want to find this, I have to go to finish production orders just here. And here is my finished production order that I can go open that and I can dig into it, and it's lost its features. So a lot of features have disappeared, the journal's gone, and you can still get your statistics. You've got the ability to still use some features. You can print, you've got some reporting back that's still available here under the reports. So similar reports available, but it's now in a finished status. And that, my friends, is how you close a production order to a finished status.